हेलो स्टूडेंट। स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ एन एटम में आज हम लोग देखेंगे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट एटम ऑफ द एलिमेंट। इस यूनिट में सब टॉपिक कौन से रह गए हैं आज हम स्टडी करेंगे। वन इज अ ऑफ वाउ प्रिंसिपल एंड एन प्लस एल रूल। नेक्स्ट इज अ पाउली exclusion principle and Hund maximum multiplicity rule। इसके पहले क्वांटम मैकेनिकल मॉडल को जब हाइड्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन लाइक आयंस के लिए सॉल्व किया था तो 3 क्वांटम नंबर नेचुरली आपको ऑब्टेन होती है। वन इज अ प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर, सेकंड इज अ एजीमुथल क्वांटम नंबर एंड थर्ड इज अ मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर और लास्ट वन इज स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर। प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर 1 2 3 4 5। एजीमुथल क्वांटम नंबर वैल्यू डिपेंड ऑन प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर कितनी होती है अकॉर्डिंग n-1। मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर m डिपेंड ऑन एजीमुथल क्वांटम नंबर वैल्यू इज -l 0 एंड +l। स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर स्पिन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन टू टाइप क्लॉकवाइज अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन एंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। न्यूक्लियस के बाहर डिफरेंटेड सेल होती है, एनर्जी लेवल होती है 1 2 3 एंड 4। अकॉर्डिंग बोर्ड एटॉमिक मॉडल द लोवेस्ट एनर्जी लेवल ऑफ फर्स्ट एनर्जी लेवल एंड फर्स्ट टू सेकंड, सेकंड टू थर्ड, थर्ड टू फोर्थ एनर्जी लेवल ऑफ एनर्जी सेल कंटिन्यूअस और ग्रेजुअली इज इंक्रीज। सबसे कम एनर्जी फर्स्ट एनर्जी लेवल की होती है। Every energy level have sub energy level and sub energy level have some orbital. In each orbital, according spin quantum number, only maximum electrons is a 2. If principal quantum number n1, possibility of value of L according n-1, value of M according -L 0 plus L and spin clockwise and anti-clockwise. N is a L, M and S. S is spin quantum number. If N is a 1, then L is a 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 0 is a value, S is a symbol. M magnetic quantum number, L value is a 0, no possibility negative or positive value, then 0 only 0. S. Spin 2 electron maximum clockwise and anti-clockwise, then it represent maximum 2 electron in a s orbital that represent 1 s 2. N value is a 2, then 2 minus 1 equal to 1, before 1 is 0. For 0 symbol is as 1 for P. 0 no possibility of negative and positive value, then 0 is a 0. What 1 is according -L 0 and +L. Possibility -1 0 and +1. For -1 Px Py Pz is a symbol. S orbital only have maximum 2 electrons. In p subcell 3 orbital -1 0 +1 symbol Px Py Pz 3 orbital, then maximum electrons is a set 6 electrons in the form of 3 pair. Then this is a 2s square, next is a 2p6. If energy level is a 3, 3 minus 1 equal to before 2 1 and 0. For 0 symbol is as 1 p, 2 के लिए क्या था d. For s no possibility of negative or positive value. For 1 -1 0 +1 S have the only one orbital, then possibility of 2 electron and represent maximum is a 3s2. P have the 3 orbital minus 1, 0, plus 1, then maximum is a 3 lone pair of 3 electrons pair, then 3p6. D value is a minus 2, then minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Maximum 5 orbital, it means 1 orbital carry 2 electrons, then 5 orbital carry is a 5 electrons pair are 10 electrons. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then maximum electrons carry by the D subcell of 3 third energy level 10. 4, N is a 4, then L is a 0, 1, 2, 3. For 0, 4s2, 1, 4p, 6, D, 4d, 6 maximum number of electrons, 3 F, L value minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. It means total number of orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total atomic orbital in F subcell is a 7. One orbital carries a 2 electrons, then 7 is carry 40 electrons, then 14 electrons. In case of the hydrogen atom, the energy level of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1s 1 electrons because hydrogen atomic number is 1. Next is the 2s equal to 2p, means what subcell have the same energy level? 3s, 3p, 3d. All three subcell of third energy level is a equal energy level. 4s, 4p, 4d and also 4f. Shape is a different na. In a previous lecture, S is a spherical, P is a dumbbell shape, D is a double dumbbell shape, F is a complicated structures of atomic orbital. And 1s lowest energy level, 2s 2p is equal energy level, 3s 3p and 3d is equal energy level, 4s 4p 4d 4f is a equal energy level and increase from first energy level to 4. It is applicable for hydrogen atom, but after hydrogen the electrons is more than 1. Helium is a 2, lithium is a 3, beryllium is a 4. Then energy level 1s, 2s, 2s and 2p not is a equal in a energy level. It is a differ to each other because 2 is a represent n and s represent is a l. 2 is represent principal quantum number and L P is a represent azimuthal quantum number. The electron field in given atomic orbital of atom according above principle. In a simple word, above suggests the electrons filling in a atomic orbital of different energy level. The electrons fill low energy level to high energy level. And subcell of same energy level differ to each other. 1s energy level less than 2s and 2p energy level less than 2s. It means 2p, 2s what is sub energy level of second energy, but they are differ to each other in energy amount. Above is a German word. It means build up of electronic configuration of atoms. Above is a German word. It means build up electronic configuration of atom of element. The electrons is filled from low energy level to higher energy level. According to uh, here, the principal state, in the ground state of the atom, the orbital are filled in order of their increasing energy. In other words, electron first occupy the lowest energy orbital available to them and enter into high energy orbital only after the lower energy level orbital are filled. When lower energy orbital is a filled, then electrons enter into high energy level. The order in which the energy of the orbital increase and hence the order in which the orbital are filled is as follow: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, and next one is 4s, not is a 3d. Why the 4s before to 3d? According to study, 1s, next is a 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, and 3d. What 3d before after is 4s, and 4s before to 3d. Why? It explain new concept is called n plus l rule. This rule suggested by the Bohr and Worry. This rule suggested by the Bohr and Worry. According to this concept, why 3d before to 4s? 3d and 4s. 3 is represent principal quantum number. D is represent azimuthal quantum number. For 3 principal quantum number, D azimuthal quantum number. The value of D is a 2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. N plus L rule. It means the sum of the principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number. 3 plus 2 equal to 4. 4s principal quantum number 4. For s azimuthal quantum number value is 0. 4 plus 0 equal to 4. It means 3d and 4s sum of principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number is different. For 3d, the n plus l value is 5. For 4s, n plus l value is 4. Then the sequence of energy level 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, and 4s. According to this concept, the electrons enter in which subcell the value of n plus l is the lowest. In case of the 3d and 4s, 3d n plus l some value is a 5. For 4s n plus l value is sum is 4. Then 4s lower energy level compared to 3d. According above, the electrons enter in a lowest energy level orbital. Whenever lowest energy orbital is a filled, then electrons enter in a higher energy orbital. 4s orbital lower energy level, then electrons enter after 3p in 4s. When 4s fill, then new electrons enter in a vacant 3d. After 3d, 4p. Another case, 3d and 4p. N plus L value. N is a 3. For D, azimuthal quantum number is a 2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. And for P, N is a 4 and azimuthal quantum value for P orbital is a 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. It means 3D and 4P have the same N plus L value 5 and 5. So electrons enter in a 3D or 4P because both have the same value of N plus L. According to second point of N plus L rule, the second point is electrons enter in which subcell which have the lower value of principal quantum number. If two subcell, example 3D and 4P subcell have the same N plus L value 5 and 5, then electrons enter in which subcell which have the lower n value. In case of 3D, the value of n is 3, and in case of 4p, the value of n is a 4. Then electrons enter in a lower energy level 3. After that, electrons enter in a 4p. It means when 3D atomic orbital completely fill, then electrons enter in a 3d2. फिर किस में जाएंगे? In 4p. It means the n plus l explained by the 2.1 is the electrons enter in a lower value of n plus l. If two orbital have the same n plus L value, the electrons enter which orbital have the lower value of principal quantum number. One is the electrons enter in a according to n plus L क्या होना चाहिए, लो होना चाहिए. Number 2, if two orbital 3d and 4p, n plus L value is 5, then electrons enter in according to principal quantum number. N 3d, n is a 3, for 4p n is a 4, then electrons enter in a 3d because the principal quantum number is a 3. Then sequence is a 1s, 2s, 2p, next is a 3s, 3p, next is a 4s, 3d, next is a 4p, next is a 5s, 4d. That is the sequence of energy level according to n plus L rule. 4d, next is a 5p, next is a 6s, 4f, 5d, next is a 6p, 7s, 5f, next is 6d, and last one is 7p. That is the sequence of the energy level of sub energy level of different cell. First S is the lowest energy level and 7p is the highest energy level. Second is the Pauli exclusion law. Pauli exclusion law, according spin quantum number, one orbital have only maximum 2 electrons. Orbital represented by this square. The 2 electrons in one orbital, S is a subcell, have only one orbital, that is the S. The 1 electrons enter always clockwise in a orbital. When these electrons enter in a S orbital, loss of the energy according Bohr concept minus 13118 kilojoule. When electrons come from infinite distance, where is the energy assumed and let is a 0. When electron is a work from infinite distance to first energy level, it loss of the energy by this work and electrons energy purchase minus 1311.8 kilojoule per mole, and electrons enter in a S orbital of first energy level and spin is a clockwise. Then 1 electrons, if the any atomic orbital, the spin is a clockwise. Another example, helium. Helium atomic number 2, first energy level, S sub energy level, and S have the only one S atomic orbital. One atomic orbital have the 2 electrons, then 1 S2. The 1 electrons in a hydrogen spin is a clockwise. In case of helium, when second electrons enter, it electron field is a repulsion because electrons is a what is carry negative charge, negative repel to each other. The second electrons when enter in a S orbital, it field is a repulsion due to negative and negative charge. Then required is a some extra energy is called pairing energy, and electrons enter in a S orbital, and this spin always is a anti-clockwise. It means the 2 electrons in a first energy level S subcell S orbital, one is a clockwise, second is a anti-clockwise. Again, helium have the configuration 1s2. For hydrogen 1s1, only one electron. Fourth quantum number of this electrons, n is a 1, L is for S value is a 0. Magnetic quantum number, no possibility of 0 negative or positive sign, then 0 have only s have only 0 orbital, means s orbital. The only one electrons in a s orbital of s sub energy level of first energy level, then the spin always is a clockwise. But in case of the helium have two electrons, He, atomic number 2, 1s2, first electrons, and this is the second electrons. One is represent principal quantum number, s is represent azimuthal quantum number, and value of first electrons 1, second is also 1. Azimuthal quantum number 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0, then 0. Magnetic quantum number is also 0, not have the negative or positive sign, 0, 0. As spin quantum number, the first electron spin is a clockwise, value is a plus 1 by 2, second is anti-clockwise, minus is a 1 by 2, clockwise, value is plus 1 by 2, symbol is upward direction arrow. Anti-clockwise, downward direction, value is a minus 1 by 2. It means helium first energy level have only s sub energy level, and s sub energy level have only s orbital, and s orbital have two electrons. One electron is a clockwise, second electron is a anti-clockwise. It means no possibility of two electrons have the same same value of quantum number. If 3 is quantum number value is a similar, then always spin is a differ to each other. In case of the helium first energy level, s orbital have the two electrons, principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, all three quantum number, what electron is similar, what spin quantum number differ to each other. It is called Pauli exclusion law. According to this concept, the Pauli exclusion principle states that in an atom or molecules, no two electrons can have the same 4 electronic quantum number, as an orbital can contain a maximum of only 2 electrons. The 2 electrons must have opposing spin. It means the one orbital have maximum 2 electrons. If 3 quantum number of both electrons similar, then always last spin quantum number differ to each other. The one electron spin is a clockwise, then second is anti-clockwise. Next example, lithium, atom number 3, 1s2, 2s1. Write all three quantum number of third electrons of lithium. So third electrons enter in a 2s1. It means 2 is represent principal quantum number, s represent azimuthal quantum number, n value 2, l value 0, m is a 0, only one electrons, then this electron spin is a clockwise, spin 1 by 2. Next is the Hund rule. Hund rule explain with this example. Example is, if L is a 1, then symbol is a P. The M value depend on the azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number is 1. Then magnetic quantum number -1, 0 and +1. Means Px, Py and Pz. It means P subcell have 3 orbital, Px, Py, Pz. One orbital carries maximum 2 electrons. Then P subcell carry maximum electronic configuration is P6. The electrons enter in a 3 vacant orbital of P subcell. The electrons enter one by one in vacant P subcell orbital. P subcell have the maximum 6 electrons. Electrons enter one by one. Then first is the draw of 6 P subcell and orbital represented by this square. The first electrons enter in a P subcell means Px value is a -1. When these electrons enter in a P orbital of P subcell, then always spin is a clockwise. The one electrons fill. The second electrons when enter in a p subcell atomic orbital, then two possibility. One is pair of these unpaired electrons, but same time two orbital atomic orbital py and pz is a vacant. Then according Hund rule, the electrons enter in a vacant py or pz atomic orbital. It means the electron first is a fill atomic orbital in the form of unpaired. The electrons is a 2. The new electrons enter. Then 3. The third electrons is also fill up or enter in a vacant atomic orbital of p subcell. It means when electrons come to vacant atomic orbital of p subcell, then first is the electrons fill or occupy position in the form of unpaired form, and 1, 2, 3 is a unpaired electrons and spin is a clockwise. 1, 2, 3. All atomic orbital of p subcell px, py, pz our value is -1, 0, +1 is fill unpaired form. When new electrons is entered in a p subcell, it paired of unpaired electrons, then p4. Next is a p5, 4, and next is a p5, p6. The one electrons only remain in the unpaired form. Then the last electrons enter in a the electrons is unpaired in which orbital which carries the unpaired electrons. Then this is a p6 electronic configuration. According this concept, the electrons enter in a atomic orbital and fill of atomic orbital of subcell in the pattern of unpaired. When all atomic orbital unpaired fill, then pairing is a start. It is called Hund maximum multiplicity rule. Hund rule states that the lowest energy electron configuration, the ground state in any electron subcell, is the one with the greatest number of parallel electron spin, means unpaired form. Every orbital in a subcell is singly occupied with one electrons before any one orbital is a double occupied, and all electrons in singly occupied orbital have the same spin. According simple word, the electrons fill in a atomic orbital of given cell unpaired form until when all atomic orbital not fill is a unpaired form. When all atomic orbital of subcell is a fill unpaired form, then pairing is a start. p1, p2, p3, and next is a fourth electrons pair of unpaired electrons p5 and p6. Electronic configuration of atom. Two type notation. One is a notation is a 1s1 or square form, 1 electrons, and right is a 1s1. Hydrogen 1s1. It is also represent of electronic configuration of hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number is a 1 and spin is a clockwise. Second is helium 1s2. Next is a lithium 1s2, 2s1. Next is a beryllium 4, 1s2, 2s2. 1s2 is completely filled, 2s2 completely filled. Then next is a boron 5, 1s2 and 2s2 completely filled. Then fifth electrons enter in a p subcell of second energy level. It means electrons enter lowest energy level to highest energy level. This is the electronic configuration of multi-electron atom. Then 2s and 2p both have different energy level, means slight difference in a energy level. Next is a carbon 6, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. Next is the nitrogen 7, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 2p3 means that is the representation of 2p3. Each orbital have 1 unpaired electrons. Oxygen, next is the O8, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. The outer electrons means valency cell carries a 6 electron. Next is the fluorine 9, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p5. Next is the neon. Atomic number 10, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. The two electronic configuration, one is a neon, second is a helium. Stable in a nature because all orbital is filled in the form of paired. Each orbital carries a 2 electrons. Then this electronic configuration is stable and helium is behave as a inert. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine is a reactive element. Neon outer cell carries a 8 electron is called octet. And 8 electrons, 2s carries a 2 electrons, p 2p6. Each atomic orbital of p subcell carries a 2 electrons. It means 2p subcell completely fill. Then it is a stable and nature of neon is also inert. Only two electronic configuration 1s2 and 2s2 2p6 is a stable nature. It is not generally react of atom of another element are same atom. But lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, all is a reactive atom of the element. It means if the orbital is completely filled, then it is a stable and atom is a inert. The atomic orbital is completely filled, the nature of it is stable. The stability of atomic orbital explained by the two concepts. One is the symmetrical distribution of electron. Second is the stabilization effect arises whenever two or more electrons with same spin are present in the degenerate orbital of a subcell. It explained with D. One is a configuration D4. Second is a D9. D subcell have 5 atomic orbitals. One atomic orbital carries 2 electrons. Then 5 atomic orbital of D subcell carries 10 electrons. 4 possible electronic configuration of D subcell is represented. One is a D4, second is a D5, one is a D9, second is a D10. D4, it means 4 atomic orbital of D subcell have one single electron according Hundhut. D5 means all 5 atomic orbital have one electrons. D9 means only one atomic orbital have one electron. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only one is unpaired. D10 means each atomic orbital have electrons pair are 2 electrons. D5 or D10 is a symmetrical distribution of electrons because are orbital of D subcell unpaired or paired field. Symmetrical distribution of electrons in D5 and D10. What D4 and D9 is a not symmetrical distribution of electrons because one orbital is a vacant in D9 one electrons is a unpaired. Then first is a stability cause of atomic orbital. It is a unpaired field or paired field. If all atomic orbital of any subcell fill in the pattern of unpaired or paired, then atomic orbital of subcell is a stable. In case of the D subcell, D5 and D10 is a stable. If all atomic orbital of any subcell not is a unpaired form field or complete pair form field, then it is a slightly unstable in a nature compared to symmetrical distribution. Second is a stabilization energy. The stabilization energy means the electrons is a not in a rest, it is always in a motion. The electrons is represent in a this orbital, it means it not in a rest in place, it move from one location to another location. In case of D5, these electrons access of their location 1, 2 and 3. This electron access of their location 1 and 2, 1 and 2, then 5, and this electron only exchange of location for this electrons with this electron, then total exchange of location possibility 3 to 5 and 6. In case of D5, this electron exchange of their location with electron 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next is this electron exchange their location this electron 1, 2 and 3. Next is these electrons exchange of their position from this electrons 1 and 2, 4 plus 3 plus 2, and 1 electron is also remain here. It also is accessed from location with this electrons, then plus 1, 4, 3, 7 to 9, 1, 10. It means 10 location exchange possibility in a D5 configuration. Then exchange of electrons, it is called stabilization energy because energy is a exchange. In case of D4, only 6 possibility of exchange their location of D4 electrons. Then exchange energy or stabilization energy is a low compared to D5. The two factor is responsible for the stability of electrons. One is a it is fill unpaired or paired form. It is called symmetrical distribution. Second is the stabilization energy. How many times it changes their location. D4, 4 electron exchange their location maximum 6. In D5, the 5 electron exchange their position in 10. It means the 10 time D5 electrons, 5 electrons exchange their position, then stabilization energy and D5 electronic configuration more than to D4 electronic configuration, then D5 atomic orbital of D subcell more stable compared to D4. D10 atomic orbital electronic configuration more stable compared to D9. It explains why the two factor. One is a symmetrical distribution of electron. Second is the stabilization of energy. Thank you and very much. Okay.